car getting built. This is getting ready to get signed, sealed, delivered today. Viper's still waiting for the parts. We got this car popping a wheelie. You think I'm playing around, y'all? Look at that. The wheels are off the floor, y'all. This car popping a wheelie. No, it's not. He actually got it lifted up on the front side only just to be able to get the bumper and everything removed. On this one, we'll be doing a complete DLR install with the hood scoop light on this car. It's a beautiful 392 wide body, man. 392 you can see there, but he can be doing the DLRs on this one today and getting the hood scoop done for this young man. This is what we call him Will Smith, but it is a beautiful car. We did some security stuff for him. Now he's getting it situated with the DLRs. He saw a car that we did and he wanted to get it done on his. So that was another one in the build. We have a couple projects in today, but that's gonna be what we're doing today. Stay tuned. Giving you guys an update on what's going on in the shop, man. This is another car that you already seen it though, but this car is the one I show you that's on airbags and drops. So Gordon already got the plastic in, he got the fins in. He's already done the cutting to be able to have the clearance for this rim. So this right now, what he's got the mock-up already done for this to be situated, and the car could be dropped with the wide body. The customer can leave it purple, which actually don't look that bad. It could be the Joker's car, but this is kind of what it's looking like right now. So he's getting this situated on a bag Dodge Challenger wide body kit. Stay tuned. What's going on? You doing the cut up on this car? Yeah. But this has to be cut a lot more because she's the airbag car, huh? You're going through hell on that one, huh? You're almost there. You're really almost there. Pain in the ass? But shit, you did any of them yet or just that one right there you're working on? Well, he's on it, guys, so stay tuned if we get to the car for West Texas. What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, taking us to AUDIOZONE here with another video. I want to introduce you to somebody from West Texas here today. We actually did some work on, you came with Barry, right? Barry's the one that we did the white, the Lambo doors on back of the Charger, and he's actually family with BattleCat. That y'all know BattleCat's family here. We got this brought into us. He wants to add a wide body to the build. So let's see what he has. He has his own parts, correct? Yeah, I got so what you got. Let's see what we do. You got her drop. When you drop it, yeah. It would be straight wheels drop down.
Yeah, that's the part I got right now.
This is the only thing I really need to know. And this is my wide body, man, right here. In fact, let me grab this. Here you go, Mr. Wide Body. Check it out. No, we got that set up. My question is, do you have the brackets that go behind it? Let's go. Gordo inventory everything. Make sure we got everything we need for the build. You want me to put it in purple?
We can get it in. We said you're gonna look at the black wrap on it.
You gonna wrap it or paint it? Painting it would definitely be better. There's no doubt about that. Yeah, but he got the round spoil. That's not a big deal. That's the split that came with it. Let me get off the Go, state your name for the camera so everybody knows exactly who you are.
West Texas.
West Texas. What made you buy this Dodge? So this is by Charlie TA. Make sure you give him that follow on Instagram for sure. But tell her, Gordo actually inventorying everything. But tell us what made you come out here, man.
I've been following you, man, for a while. When you and REELTOREAL used to hang out a lot. You know?
Me and Real went together this weekend. We went to go pick up his box Chevy. We went together to go pick it up.
So I've been following you for a good while, and then REELTOREAL. So hell, he just held the house.
Well, we do this every day, so we're definitely gonna get it situated, yo. Because this is the bag. He's doing inventory. Once I get this situated, we'll get it all going. It's gonna be a black. No problem. Not a big deal, y'all. So get used to this camera. So at this point in time, we're getting the drop off of this car. I'm gonna go ahead and have him check all inventory. All the parts are there. We'll start getting the parts painted. Start getting the install done. Get the car delivered to West Texas. Stay tuned. So on this build here, signed, sealed, getting ready for delivery, man. The DLRs are definitely done. As you can tell, we got the hood scoop flowing really beautiful. DLRs are done. We even gave this boy an extra little touch here. I'll get him some scat pack on the floor so he can see his car, man. So he'll be here very shortly to pick up his car. Mr. Smith, I want to thank you for giving us a chance to serve you on that car. We've got a couple other cars coming out right now. This was going to be delivered today. That was in process. Stay tuned for the video on this one. Badass build for Mr. Hemi Boy. But on that one, this will be out today.